Okay, again, I was writing here that AB over, I write it quickly, AB over XY equals BC over YZ equals CD over ZN equal AD over XN. Then I have substituted what is given. So I have 6 over XY equals 4 over YZ equal 9 over 3 equals 10 over XN. Here you must find one of the proportional sides. Both of them are numbers. Because if there is no, if there is, you don't find this, you will not be able to find the other sides. So one of them, the two sides in the two polygons must be given. One of the 4 sides must be given in the 2 polygons. Why? In order to use it to get the rest. How do I will use this one? By a very simple cross multiplication. If this one, I erase this one. And I told you that 6 over x over xy equal 9 over 3. Can you get xy by doing cross multiplication? Hannah?
Yes.
Okay, it will be equal what, Hannah?
6 times 3.
Yes.
Over 9.
Yes, 6 over 3 over 9. It will be equal to centimeter. So I got xy how? By cross multiplication. 6 times 3 divide by 9. Tab, why do I use 9 over 3? Because the rest, there is no number here. If I took 10 over x over xn, which cross multiplication with which one? So xy will be 6 times xn divide 10. Then you have 2 missing, 2 unknowns. So you couldn't get it unless you have one proportion side completed. Okay? If I want to undo. Okay, so I took this one with 9 over 3. Tab, I want to take the other one. I want to get YZ as we get XY to 2 centimeters. Okay, so 4 over Z, sorry, YZ, it is equal to what? It is equal also to the same ratio, 9 over 3. How to get YZ? Omar Fathi.
Yes.
Okay, how to get YZ, ya Omar? Why is it from here?
3 multiply 4?
Yes, 3 multiply 4
over 9.
divide 9. So it will give you 1.333. Okay, it's 1.3. So 12 divide by 9.
Right.
Okay, okay. What about xn? Who can tell me by xn how to get xn? I will not write any steps. I want to get xn. Who with us here? Yara. I want to get xn, Yara.
Okay. I will write ثانية واحدة. هو أنا لازم أكتب ال AD الأول
Where's 80?
اللي هي 10 centimeter.
Yeah, it is already written here. في 10, sorry. في 10 هنا.
I'll make it 10 over xn. أعملها قصاد الريشيو.
Equal what يعني?
9 over 3.
9 over 3. Then xn equals what?
أعمل cross multiplication 3 times 10 over 9.
Okay, so it will give you 3.3 or 30 divided by 9, 10 over 3. You can write it as, so xn, sorry, there is no place to write. 10, you can write it as decimal, you can leave it fraction, no problem. 30 divided by 9, it is equal to 10 over 3. You can leave it 10 over 3 centimeters, or you can change it into decimal, 3.3. Both are right. Okay, so very important to know how to write the proportional side. This is the most important part or the most important step is writing the proportional sides in a correct way. Okay, let's move to the next example exercise. ABCD similar to XYZL. Quickly, because I don't want to make a third meeting, because I want to go to the similarity of triangles. So here ABCD similar, given it is similar to XYZL. Calculate, measure angle BCD. Where is BCD? Please take it from here. So here BCD, suppose it is congruent with YZL. Where is YZL? YZL. Okay. طيب, do you have it? Do you have YZL? No. But I want BCD. What I will do to get angle BCD? If when I looked at the second polygon, because he tell me that they are similar, so angle C congruent to angle Z, I don't find angle Z أصلا. Anyone has an idea, any idea how to start this one?
Angle D equal angle L.
Yes, I have a very important thing, that angle D is equal to its corresponding. Its corresponding is L. Oh, sorry, this is the... Okay. Angle D equal to angle L. So this angle equals 80. Can you get the fourth one?
نعمل 180 minus
Yes, Ahmed. 360 minus the sum of the three angles. Why? Because the quadrilateral, the sum of the interior angles equals 360. So when you subtract 360 minus the sum of them, you will find that this is 85 degrees. So you didn't use the corresponding angle in this case. Okay, you used another corresponding angles. So please don't say Miss C it is equal to L. ما هي دي اللي موجودة، أعمل إيه يعني؟ يعني please don't think about it like this. Don't say Miss لا, you want angle C? Yes, it is equal to the angle here 80. No, you must see C, its corresponding is Z, not L. Which one corresponding to L? It is D. So I used the D, then I got it from the sum of the interior angles of the polygons, the quadrilateral. Then he wants me to find length of XL. Where is XL? XL, this is XL. I want to find the length of it. Okay, and the enlargement ratio. Of course, the enlargement ratio will be written. Okay, so you will put them, very important to put them in their right order or correct order. So ABCD similar to XYZL. So I will write AB over XY equals BC over YZ equals CD over ZL, and at the end AD over XL. What I need, if I looked here, I have only BC over YZ. I have this one. AB over XY, I don't need it because he didn't want XY, and I don't have the AB ولا XY. فأصلا I don't need it. But if you write it, it's not wrong. I have BC 8, and I have YZ 2.4. CD, it's not given, LZ not given, and I don't need it because he didn't want any of them. AD, where is AD? Equals 6, and XL is the length of the side he wanted. So by doing cross multiplication, 6 times 2.4 divide by 8, you will find it is 1.8. So XL will be 1.8 centimeter. So you got XL. What is the ratio of enlargement? Equals what the ratio of enlargement?
Greater than 1?
Equal what? It's greater than 1, yes. Equal to what? This is the ratio of enlargement. When you simplify it, 8 divided by 2.4, you find that it is equal to 10/3 because you've removed the decimal and then you simplified. Okay, you put it on the calculator, you no need to think. This is the ratio of enlargement. We said, or 6/1.8. Any of them are the same. 6/1.8 after getting XL, it is equal to 8/2.4, and it will be equal to the other sides if I have them, but I don't have them here. Okay, the last one, I forget to say something, that also I said that any side divided by its proportion equal constant, right? Also the perimeter of the first polygon divided by the perimeter of the second polygon is also the same ratio. Yani if I got the ratio of ABCD divide the ratio of X, the perimeter, sorry, of ABCD divide the perimeter of XYZL, you will find it is also equal to 10/3. Okay, this will be clear in the second part, اللي هي similarity of triangles. Okay, because I want to go to the similarity of triangles. I will say it again. What is the difference between similarity of polygons and similarity of triangles? The difference is one thing, that in triangles, one condition only is enough. If you have verified that the three angles in one of the triangle equal the three angles in the second triangle, so they are similar without the sides. Or not and, or if you have proved that three sides in one of the triangles proportional to the size of the second triangle, so also they are similar. No need to verify the two conditions. So again, two triangles are similar if there exists one of the following, one only. The corresponding angles are congruent, or the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, one of them is enough. Type, I will prove the similarity of triangles with sides or with angles. Wallahi, this will be according to the given. If you have, but please be careful. To prove that they are similar and you have the angles, you must prove that the three sides here proportional to the three sides, not only two خلاص كفاية اتنين, لا. The three proportional to the three, so it is similar. Or the three angles similar, congruent to the three angles. Not only one. IMS في angle هنا equal angle هنا, لا مش one angle. The three طبعا أكيد if two are equal in one of the triangles equal the other two in the second triangle, أكيد the third will be equal the third. By subtracting 180 minus the sum, they will be equal. Let's see example. ABC, sorry, is a triangle in which AB equal 5 centimeter. This is one of the given. BC 6, AC sub. Let's write AB 5, BC 6, AC 4. You have what? You have the three sides of the first triangle. طب he want what? He want me to prove that ADE, this triangle, similar to triangle ABC, the big one. طيب, let's think. يا إما I will use the three sides proportional مع three sides, أو three angles equal to the three angles. طيب, أول حاجة هتخطر في بالنا إن أنا عندي three sides خلاص. لا, I must have the 6 sides عشان أعمل proof they are congruent, they are similar. Do you have the sides of the smaller triangle? You have only AD 3, by the way. Do you have DE? لا. Do you have AE? لا. طب يا miss, I can put the proportional sides and I can get DE and EA. No, please. You can get them from the proportional. يعني I can get them from what we have done up if the two triangles are similar. ما أنا بكتب الأول أصلا since كذا similar to كذا, then AB over BC equal AD over مش عارفة إيه and so on. طب here I want to prove similarity. The triangles are not similar. So I want to prove similarity, so look at the givens. Here the givens, maybe angles, maybe sides. If the 6 sides given, so you will use the sides. Do you have the 6 sides of the of the 2 triangles? Do you have the 6 sides?
No.
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 You have only 4. You have AB, BC, CA, and AD. You don't have DE and EA. So you couldn't prove the similarity by sides. So let's think about the other condition, which are the angles. Do you have the angles? Can you prove that the 3 angles in one of them equal the 3 angles in the other? You have a very important given. DE parallel to BC. What you will deduce يا محمد عمرو. محمد. طيب جنات. محمد and جنات they slept. جودي.
Yes.
الحمد لله. one is awake.
لا عايشة الحمد لله.
لا اسمها أنا صاحية الحمد لله. Okay, DE يا جودي parallel to BC. What you will deduce from the parallelism?
إن angle AED equal angle C.
Yes, angle AED equal angle ACB. Why?
Corresponding.
Corresponding. And the same in the other side, angle
ADE equal angle ABC.
Yes. So I have angle AE or angle E in the first one equal to angle C, angle E equal to angle C, or angle B equal to angle D. Still, I want angle A to be equal to angle A. It is the same angle. It is common angle. So of course, if A in the first one 40, it will be 40 in the second one. So now, thank you, Judy. Now the 3 angles, one of the triangles equal the 3 angles of the other triangles. So the triangle is similar to the other one. How to write it? I will write the 3 angles. So هقول له since parallelism, since DE parallel to BC, then AC is the transversal in the first one, but therefore measure of angle AED equal measure of angle C. This is one. Corresponding طبعا. Write the parallelism again. Since DE parallel to BC, and in this case AB is the transversal, يبقى therefore measure ADE equal measure angle B. Also corresponding. This is number 2. Since measure angle A is common angle, so this is 3. From 1, 2, and 3, ADE triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. So you have proved that they are similar. After similarity بقى خلاص I have written that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. The example didn't finish. He wants the sides that are not given. He wants these 2 sides. So now the step of writing the proportional sides. I can write now the proportional side because I have already proved that the 2 triangles are similar. طب طالما ال 2 triangles are similar يبقى proportion the sides are proportional. Who can tell me the proportional sides? Let's see who didn't share us today. Yusuf.
Yes, miss.
Yes, yeah, Yusuf.
Right.
Can you tell me the proportional sides, how to write them, what over what?
AE
طب
over
please
AC.
okay. Okay, but can you please move with order? عشان don't, in order not to forget any of the sides. Here are the 2 similar triangles, or I am writing them here. Move with order from the
AD.
beginning. AD over what?
AD over AB. AB.
AB equals what?
DE
DE
over BC
BC
equal AE
yes.
over AC.
Yes, excellent use. Then I will substitute. What I will have it, I will put it. What I don't have, I will get it. AD, given AD, where is AD? AD, given here. Okay, look here. 3. AB, given, yes, given. 5. Okay, equal to DE. No, DE, I want it. One of the requirements. Over BC, where is BC? 6. AE, I want AE. And AC given, where is AC? 4. Can you get DE? Yes, I can get, because I have one completed ratio. So I can get it by cross multiplication. DE will be 6 times 3 divided by 5. And also take AE over 4 with 3 over 5. So AE will be 3 times 4 divided by 5. Okay, move to another exercise. Okay. In the opposite figure, measure AED equal measure angle B. AED equal measure angle B. AD equal 3 centimeter. AE 4.5. BD 6. I want to prove that the two triangles are similar. I will look if the 3 sides in the first one equal proportion to the 3 sides in the second one, they are similar. But to prove by sides, you must have the 6 sides. أول حاجة ببص لها. Do you have the 6 sides? No, I have only 3. So you couldn't prove it by sides. طيب المرة اللي فاتت we proved it by angles, but I have parallelism. Here I don't have parallelism. I have only one given in angle. If I look at this one, angle E equal to angle B. I must prove the 3 with the 3. Who can tell me which angle equal to the other angle? Which else? أكيد by reason. يعني ما تقوليش ما similar. لا, I want to prove they are similar. So I want a reason to make the 3 angles here equal the 3 angles there. Okay, Hannah?
Yes.
Okay, Hannah. I have only one angle, E equal B. What else equal to the other?
A.
Yes.
لأنها common vertex.
Excellent, Hannah. A is common vertex, okay, or common angle between the two triangles. So of course it will be equal, it will be congruent. If it is 40 in the first one, it will be 40 in the other. If it is 50, it will be 50. If it is 60 in ADE, it will be 60 in ABC, and so on. But as two angles equal in the triangle, so of course,
angle equal what?
Angle
Yes.
D equal angle C.
of course, the third one will be equal to the third one by a very simple way. But if the two triangles are not in common with one angle, can you prove it? Of course not. لو ما فيش parallelism, you cannot prove that they are equal, because you will not يعني imagine what will be the angle. So here, since measure angle AED equal measure angle B, this is the first one. Measure angle A common, so this is number 2. So therefore, measure angle ADE will be equal to measure angle C. This is number 3. So from 1, 2, and 3, that triangle similar to the other triangle. Let's write I want EC. I will write the proportional sides. Please look at the proportional sides when writing them from this one. Because here, as you see, the angles which are equal are opposite to each other. يعني D doesn't equal B. هي E equal B with D equal C. So you'll be confused from the drawing. Get the proportion size from here. So AD over AC equal DE over CB equal AE over AB. Okay, I will remove the letters and substitute with the length I have. AD, do you have AD? Yes, AD given, and it's writing for you here. It's written for you. 3. AC, do you have AC? No, you don't have it. طيب DE, no برضو. Over CB, برضو no. AE, yes, 4.5. And what? What is the last side?
Over 9.
Excellent. Please note that sometimes you are not given the side clear. يعني ما قالكيش AB 9. But I must write AB because this proportions. محدش يقول لي يا مس ما خلاص ناخد 6 ولا 3 يعني مش هتفرق. لا هتفرق. I'm writing what in the proportion sides? I'm writing AB. So you must get the length of AB if you have it طبعا. So 6 plus 3, 9. Can you get DE or BC? No, because nothing given here. So I don't need this. I can remove it. Now I can get what? لاحظوا, he want EC. He want what? He want EC. But from the proportional sides, I couldn't get it in from one step. I can get what from the proportional sides. ده كل اللي اقدر اجيبه. دي البروبورشنال size اللي اقدر اجيبها. From the proportional side, the only side that you can get it is AC. طب يا مس هو عايز EC. هو AC equal EC؟ لا يا حبيبي. طب يعني انا هعمل ايه؟ طب تعالوا نجيب AC الاول يعني مش هيخسر. AC 9 times 3. 9 times 3 equal 27. Divide by 4.5. It will be equal 6. انا جبت AC 6. طب انا ما جبتش what did he want? He want EC. How to get it?
6 minus 4.5.
Yes. Look at the drawing. You will find that AC all, I got it 6. Part from AC as AE, and it is already given. By subtracting, you will find EC. 6 minus 4.5, it gives 1.5. So sometimes the requirement is not direct from the proportional, like all the previous exercises. As you see here, he wants EC, and it is not from the proportional size direct. From the proportional side, I got AC, and I used AC to get EC. Is this clear? Okay. Of course, I will not do this all, okay? Let's take the next one. Then you have only 2 exercises, okay? ABC is a right angled triangle at B, in which AB equals 3 centimeter. So AB equals 3. BC equals 4. And BD perpendicular on AC. This means that BDA is right angle also. Prove that triangle B, running of time so quickly. معلش. Okay. BAC similar to a DAB. So quickly. I want to prove BAC similar to DAB. Do you have sides? No, we don't have. في any side you can get? Yes, I can get. I can get what? I can get AC. هتقولوا يا miss I can get AC ازاي؟ هقول لكم ببساطة this is a right angle triangle. I have 2 sides. I can get it by Pythagoras theorem. So I can get AC by applying Pythagoras, it will be 5. But I didn't solve my problem because I don't have any of the 3 sides in the other. I have only one from the other triangle. So let's look at the givens of the angles. I have angle ABC, ABC equal to what? ADB. ABC equal to ADB. Okay, this is 90 and this is 90. Also, I have angle A in common. Angle A, if you looked at here, angle A is common between the two triangles. So the third angle will be equal to the third angle. So I have proved the parallelism. I have proved the similarity. From similarity, write the proportional side. There is no place at all here. Proportional sides, BA in the first one, because some letters are common here. BA over DA equal AC over AB equal BC over DB. Where is AB? Yes, AB given 4, no 3. DA, I want it أصلا DA. AC, I can get it by Pythagoras, it was 5. AB again. Okay, look, it is AB again.
will be
It
3.
is also 3. Then BC 4 over DC. DC not given, DB. Okay, I will get DA from here. 3 times 3, 9, divide by 5, it will give you 1.8. So AD, 1.8. This is the first requirement. But if I got DB, do I will use it in anything else? He didn't want it. If you got it, it's no problem. But you will use it, DB? No. If you get it, it's okay. If you don't get it, it's okay. But he want what? He want DC. Where is DC? Hey, DCA. How could you get DC? Yara, how to get DC?
Mhm.
DC ثانية finance of AD and DC.
I couldn't get it from the proportional sides, Yara. I got only from the proportional sides AD. But don't forget. Yeah.
بايثاغورس ولا ايه؟
أيوة كنت لسه أقول ممكن
يعني ساعتها هنعمل ايه؟ ساعتها هنجيب البي دي من الريشيو دي وممكن اجيبها بايثاغورس. But there is something else easier. ما انا عندي AC 5. 5 minus 1.8.
جبنا
ايه ده صح.
ما انا
ما
عندي
خدتش
5.
بالي ان في AC اصلا.
ما AC I got it from Pythagoras from the beginning. And I used it here. اصلا without this given the problem would not be solved. يعني if I don't get AC from Pythagoras and I write the side AC هتفضل 3 over DA equal AC over 3 equal 4 over DB. طالما there is no completed ratio you cannot solve the problem. So after writing it you will search about something to get. The only thing you can get at the beginning is AC. The only thing you can get is from Pythagoras you can get, because this is 3 and this is 4. You can get AC from Pythagoras and you used it here. You are right 5, then I can get DA from cross multiplication طلعت 1.8. طب from Pythagoras AC was 5, so 5 minus 1.8 you will get it. The last one before, because I'm running out of time, only 5 minutes. This one. Using the given in the opposite figure, prove that DEF similar to ABC. As you see, there is nothing in common in the angles. The angles here are not given. ولا في parallel between them. ولا common angle, nothing. So as you see, you cannot prove it by the previous exercise by angles, because there is no angles given. But you have the 6 sides. Put the 6 sides, not all بقى. Here to prove by sides, I must write them side by side. Because I must prove that each 2 proportional sides have the same constant. So I want to prove DEF similar to ABC. So هقول له كده since the first side DE over AB. It is alone لوحدها دي, because this will be number 1. لأن لازم 1 و2 و3 must be constant عشان اثبت ان هما similar. So DE over AB, so 9 over 6. ليه after simplifying it will be 3 over 2. So this is number 1. طيب the second one EF over BC. Where is EF? EF has 7.5. Where is BC? 5. 7.5 divide by 5 تطلع برضو 3 over 2. This is number 2. The last one DF over AC. Since DF over AC equal 6 over 4, also 3 over 2. This is number 3. From 1, 2, and 3, يبقى therefore DE over AB equal EF over BC equal DF over AC over BC. يبقى therefore triangle DEF similar to triangle ABC. يبقى now we took the two exercises. When I want to prove it by angles, I must write the 3 angles. If I want to prove them by sides, you must write the 3 sides. After getting the constant, you can tell him that since they are equal, so they are similar. طب look at the second requirement. He want what? He want the perimeter of DEF over the perimeter of ABC to be the ratio of similarity. احنا جبنا ratio of similarity equal what? 3 over 2. دي البروبرتي اللي كنت بقول لكم عليها في البوليجونز. برضو perimeter over the one of the triangles over يعني اللي هو perimeter of DEF over perimeter of ABC, you must get it 3 over 2. This is a property. يعني this is given. طب how to get the perimeter? Also since perimeter of DEF over perimeter of ABC. What's meant by perimeter? Perimeter is adding the 3 sides. طيب DEF يعني 7.5 plus 9 plus 6 over 6 plus 4 plus 5. Let's كده calculate. هتبقى 9 plus 6 plus 7.5. You will have it 22 over 22.5. Divide 6 plus 4 plus 5, 15. When you're dividing 22.5 divide 15, you will find it is equal to 3 over 2. It is a must. Okay, and sometimes in the complete and the choices, given for you one of the perimeters of يعني هيقول لكم في two triangles are similar and مثلا perimeter of one of them is كذا وفي شوية sides find the other perimeter. You can get it برضو also by the proportion, the ratio of proportion or ratio of similarity. So again, the ratio of similarity equal to the ratio of the proportional sides, and it is also equal perimeter of the first polygon divide perimeter of the second polygon. It is equal the same ratio of similarity. يعني هنا DE over AB equal EF over BC equal DF over AC equal perimeter of DEF over perimeter of ABC. The 4 are equal. I have less than 1 minute to finish the meeting. Hope you understand it well. This was one of the lessons. زي ما قلنا in the second term, the lessons are separated from each other. يعني next time هيبقى converse of Pythagoras theorem. حاجة it's يعني nothing related to the similarity. Any questions quickly? Any questions in this lesson?
بس وانا عندي سؤال